Hello everyone, this is Adil Yaman from VIP Property International. Today I'm going to explain you deadly important 4 things that you should know if you are planning to invest and get Turkish citizenship. 1. I'm hearing from lots of clients that they are asking me, oh Adil, if I invest $100,000 or $150,000 or $170,000, can you provide citizenship? Some companies are doing this. I'm telling you, I know some companies doing this, but do not forget, government is smarter than everybody. They are checking everything. So when they figure it out that you manipulated the title deed amounts or you purchased less amount, first you will lose the citizenship, and second, probably they are going to put you into the jail. So I definitely not recommend to do any manipulation on the amounts. You should properly invest $250,000 or more than this, and then for sure you will get your citizenship, and in the future you will have no problem. If you have doubt about this, you can ask it to any lawyer. This is very dangerous thing, and we definitely not recommending it. Even if anybody offering you this, we strongly recommend you not to make any business with them, because if anybody cheating government today, they can also cheat you. Okay, and always please use a lawyer. Second, I'm hearing that they are always saying all the projects giving rent guarantee. I'm telling you, the best rent guarantee is to decide on the right project. It should be on the right location. It should be a completed or nearly completed projects, and it should be easily rentable product. Okay, so if these are not existing, whatever they say in the rental guarantee contract. By the way, I'm not sure if you are reading all these rental guarantee contracts. They are usually very big, very fat contracts, and there are many clauses that giving rights developer not to pay your rent. For example, let's say if it is a hotel block or something, they will always find out to increase the costs for the hotel, and you will not get the rent what you were expecting, because when you buy a hotel apartment, you are also joining to the cost. Okay, yes, they are providing you these rents, but also you accept to pay this cost. So when you deduct this cost, there will be nothing for you probably, or very limited, very less rental income. So do not believe everyone if they are telling this is rental guaranteed. The best rental guarantee is the project what you choose. 3. Clients are asking if they buy a property with a payment plan for 2 years, 3 years, can they apply for citizenship? And I'm hearing many agents, many brokers telling, oh, of course, just buy it, and when you finish the payments, you can apply for citizenship and you can get citizenship. I need to remind you that 2 years ago, the citizenship amount was $1 million. Then government decreased it to $250,000. But there is no guarantee that will continue forever. You are taking a big risk by doing 2 years, 3 years payment plans, because they can increase the amount again to $1 million or maybe more, or they can completely cancel this. So what you are going to do when this happens? Do not take any risk for your future. If you don't have $250,000, I can recommend to get some loan from the banks not related to this bank. You cannot get a hypothec on real estate which you are purchasing and then apply for citizenship. The $250,000 should be paid to the cash or bank transfer in once to the developer. What you can do, if you have other properties, you can get a loan with these properties as a guarantee asset. You can get a loan from the bank and you can use this money to get your new property and to apply for citizenship. So I'm not recommending to listen any of this advice. So make it 2-year, 3-year payment plans, and you can apply for citizenship. Probably you won't be able to get citizenship because law is going to change, amount is going to change, or maybe they will cancel the law completely. And the fourth thing, there are legal issues. There are too much conflict about this. People are really confused and asking me that there are many different variations, so what they should understand. I'm telling you, to get approval to apply for citizenship, 3 things are very important. One is the purchase date. The purchase date, that means the date which you send the money to the developer's account. They are checking if this money with this day's exchange rate, if it is over $250,000. This is the one. And second, the expert report. As a foreigner, you know, government is sending independent experts to make a valuation of the apartment. The expert report date and the valuation, these two, also when you compare with the exchange rates, these two should be more than $250,000. And the third thing, also which is very important, the title deed amount. That means there is a number showing how much you paid for this apartment on the title deed. When the title deed transfer is done, you will see a price on title deed on the paper. This title deed date and the amount on it, this also too should be more than $250,000. And just one of these is not enough. 3 of these things should be over $250,000. If 1 or 2 is more than $250,000 and you didn't do the title deed transfer and you left it to the later, you did it, but the title deed transfer date, this amount, the exchange rates, if it is less than $250,000, you cannot get citizenship. You must have 3 of 3 conditions. All of these 3 conditions. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any other questions, please write it to the comments and I will answer it.